Hello everyone, welcome to Beyond One Way. We are using carrots to make some delicious cornbread today. This cornbread recipe is also great for people who want to get more fiber into their diet. I will explain at the end of this video. First, share 1 cup of carrots and squeeze as much of the water out as possible since carrots contain quite a bit of water. This will help to avoid soggy cornbread. Now mix all the dry ingredients together in a bowl. Don't add the carrots just yet. We will do that at the very end before baking. Mix the white ingredients in a separate bowl. Now we are ready to fold the carrots into the cornmeal batter. Separate the carrots with your fingers first to avoid clumps and to make it easier for the carrots to be evenly mixed in the batter. Pour the batter into an 8x8 grease pan and bake at 375 degrees for 25 minutes, or when a toothpick comes out clean after inserted in the center. Let the cornbread cool down before cutting it, otherwise the cornbread will fall apart. This cornbread smells so good and has perfect golden brown sides with beautiful texture. I already took a bite and I promise you it is delicious. Can you believe carrots are great in the cornbread? Not only is this cornbread delicious, it is also high fiber because I used Bob's red mill whole wheat flour in this recipe. Each piece of cornbread has almost 6 grams of fiber when cut into 9 pieces versus less than 2 grams per piece if I use all-purpose white flour. Give this recipe a try if you are looking for ways to add more fiber to your eating. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and don't forget to come back to see my other carrot recipe videos. Happy eating and see you next time.